Hi and welcome back to my channel, Creative Crafts. In today's YouTube tutorial, we will be learning to make the cloud earrings. I will be showing you a detailed step-by-step process, including some tips and skills for air dry clay making. It is super easy, straightforward, and fun to make. Let's get started. These are the materials to prepare for our clay project. Air dry clay, water, wet cloth, pencil, and clay knife, including the sandpaper, paints, and varnish. To make earrings, we also need the screw bales, jump rings, and hooks. Firstly, take a small part of clay, about 1.5 centimeters size, and roll it into a ball. Using your fingers to press the sides of the ball lightly. Then, flatten the shape slightly. Repeat the two steps again, by squeezing the sides and flattening it so that it forms a semi-oval-like shape, with a thickness about 0.7 centimeters. We will repeat the steps a few times so it forms into the desired shape. After that, use the clay knife to make the curves of the cloud shape. Make a deep indent on the top of one side of the clay. And do another indent on the other side. Smoothen the curves with your fingers or clay knife. Add some water to moisten the clay into a smooth rounded shape again. Water is an essential element to shape and moisten air dry clay, as well to smooth over any cracks. Now, we will add the smiley face on our adorable little cloud. You can use a sharp pencil or a needlepoint pen to make the carvings on the clay. Keep your pencil or pen at a slant angle when carving and go over lightly. Make sure the carvings is deep and clear enough. After we have finished one cloud, we will make another one for the pair of earrings. The final step is to insert the screw bale on top of the cloud. We will leave our smiley cloud earrings to dry for about a day. After it has dried, they are ready for sanding. Use a small size sanding paper or sanding sponge to sand and smoothen out the surface of the cloud. Make sure that it is smooth with no roughness. Check the smiley face carvings and use a sharp needle pen to refine the carvings if need to. Brush off any excess clay dust with a small brush. Then, we can attach the jump rings and earrings hooked together. Now we can start painting our cloud earrings. I am painting it with white acrylic paint. Paint the whole surface of the clay with white paint. You might want to paint it over several times to thicken the coat. After the white has dried, we will paint in the face features. Using black paint with a fine brush to roughly paint in the carvings. Then, use the wet cloth to carefully wipe off any black remaining paint on the cloud, so that the smiley face stands out. You can touch it up again with white paint with a fine brush. After that, we leave it to dry fully for about a few hours. For the final step, we will varnish our cloud earrings. I dip it directly into my varnish liquid, Liquitex. Let the excess liquid drip off or dab it with a soft tissue. You can use a soft brush to varnish it as well. This step helps to protect the paint surface and gives it a glossy finish. Repeat the step about 2 to 3 times with drying time in between for a thicker finish. Leave the cloud earrings to dry fully for a few hours. And there, our cloud earrings are complete. These cute smiley cloud earrings are so simple to make and it only needs 2 colors. They are very small, lightweight and goes well with any outfit. These air dry clay earrings are great as gifts for your friends, family, to wear as a fashion accessory. Air dry clay making is fun, easy to learn and you can create many cute and useful products from it. I hope you enjoyed today's video on cloud making tutorial. If you are also interested in making more easy clay projects, you can watch my previous video, 5 easy DIY projects anyone can do from home. Like and subscribe to my channel as I will be posting more clay tutorials, tips and fun videos. Feel free to drop in any questions or suggestions in the comments section. Thank you for joining in and making this beautiful creation with me. I hope to see you in the next video.